Okay, this is a 3D reconstructive model of one of our patient. Patient came to us with unequal pupillary level, and if you can see this patient, he has been operated almost a year back with the titanium plates and screw. And if you see it very closely and compare with the right side, there is a major orbital blowout fracture. There is absolutely no floor over here, so we are planning to reconstruct here. And of course, because of the herniation of the orbital content into the maxillary sinus, there is a unequal pupillary level. What we planned is, from this particular model, right side is healthy, so with the artificial intelligence software and with the mirror imaging impact, we created another model of the left side itself. Now if you see this particular model, there is a reconstructed orbital floor with the mirror image of the healthy side. Now we are planning to adapt the titanium mesh on this particular model. We will try it with the fractured site, and eventually the same plate, pre-contoured band plate, we will take it to the operating theater and we will just place it in the floor of the orbit, so we don't have to bend much at the time of surgery. There will be a limited operating time. There will be no more surprises because we already know there is a huge defect in the floor of the orbit. So there are two plates which we are planning to carry. This is a, if you see this plate, this is a KLS Martin 3D reconstructive plate of the floor of the orbit. So we have already pre-bent it but not cut it totally. So if you see, if I place this plate like this, it is almost covering the entire defect. So we just have to cut it off medially because we don't want this much extension, and reaching up to this area medially, that's practically impossible. So we will cut it off medially, this plate, and this extension of the screws we will just bend it at the infraorbital rim region and we will fix it. The second option what we have is the Orthomax plate, which is a medium sized titanium plate, which is also giving a good coverage of the floor of the orbital defect. So we will be carrying both this plate, and we will just make sure we try to match the floor level with the opposing side, and both of this plate are fitting well with the mirror contoured, mirror imaged model as well. If you see, almost it is nicely taking a shape, and even if this particular plate is also taking a good shape at the reconstructed model. So this is the advantage what we are getting with the 3D printed technology and pre-planning. This definitely reduces the operating time, and challenges which we are expecting to get during operating time, we already know